right, so I just received this. That's the name of the company. It's a 1-pack. That is all of the info on this bulb. And check out this bulb. It's insane. Let's take a look at it. Let's get it out of its hole. All right. They got a lens cleaning tissue. Put that over there. And then basically I just got to kind of pull it out. Here. Let's see what we got. Well, this thing is, what? Look at this thing. Holy cow. Is that crazy or what? Now we got to find something to put it in. So you just basically just put it in one of your bulbs and then just light it up. So I think I'm going to put it up here on the ceiling and see what it looks like, just so you guys can see. Check it out. I got to take one of these bulbs out. Boop-a-doop. Exact same kind of thing, right? And then we'll just take this one right here, right? We'll just put it in there. There it is. All right. I got it in there. It looks kind of funky, but I just kind of stuck it in there just so you guys can see. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light here. And that's it right there. Look at it. It's crazy, huh? I mean, that's not the best spot for it, but you guys can get an idea of how it works. It's a pretty cool light, huh? Try a different application for it. I'm going to take this out of here, right? Get rid of that one. And let's put this thing in here. You know what I mean, jelly beans? That's kind of cool. That'll make like a cool thing. All right, I think I'm in. Now I just got to turn it on. Where's the on button at? Oh, here it is. I think I got it plugged in. Oh, maybe I don't. Oh, I got to plug it in. Let's go ahead and get her in there. Whoops. Okay, we'll check it out. Cool, huh? All right, so that's pretty cool. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it right there. I think that's awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and just turn this off. So here it is. Bam. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I use stuff like this. Peace out.